Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to create Oracle account. Creating an Oracle account might look like a basic sign-up process, but it's actually your gateway into a full enterprise ecosystem, cloud services, databases, downloads, certifications, and more. If you fill things out carelessly, you can run into access issues later. So this is one of those setups you want to get right the first time. Start by opening the official Oracle website in your browser. Look at the top right corner and click on the profile icon. After opening the profile menu, find and click Create an account under Oracle Account Options. What happens next? You'll be taken to a registration form where Oracle collects your personal and professional details. Enter your account information. You'll be asked to fill in the following: email address, password, country, full name, job title, work phone number, company name, address, city, and zip code. Why Oracle asks for all this? Oracle is enterprise focused, so it uses this data to identify your user type, enable access to specific services, customize your experience, and support billing and cloud services if needed. This isn't just a casual account, it's a professional identity. After filling in all required fields, click Create Account. Oracle will send a verification code or activation link to your email. Go to your inbox and open the message. Click Verify Email Address. After verifying your email, return to the page and click Continue. To summarize, creating an Oracle account starts by visiting the Oracle website and clicking the profile icon in the top right corner. From there, selecting Create an Account opens a registration form where you enter your personal and professional details such as email, password, name, company, and location. After submitting the form, Oracle sends a verification email. By clicking the verification link and then continuing, your account becomes fully active and ready to use. This account allows you to access Oracle's software downloads, cloud services, and development tools. It's a simple setup, but it unlocks a lot of powerful tools if you use it properly. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.